Hello everyone, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Job Science. And once again, I'm here with you with all of the new and latest jobs, but all of them are from Canada today. And I'm hoping there is something for you as well. And first of all, I'm going through my today's job list. First job was the cashier required in Canada, overhead door installer required in Canada, restaurant supervisor needed in Canada, construction helper needed in Canada, service advisor needed in Canada. So these are the jobs today, the part of my today's video, and I'm hoping there is something for you as well. And if you're visiting my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as well and select all for all of the latest updates. I thank you all. Let's go through the details of all of the jobs. The cashier required in Canada. Location is McNeely Avenue, Carleton Place on K7C0A6. Those who are living in Canada must have an idea about the locations there. And the salary would be 14.25 on hourly basis. And you need to work for 12 to 20 hours a week. In terms of employment, permanent and part time. And the timings for the job can be the day, evening, weekends, mornings. So that depends. Starting date starts as soon as possible, and then the job requirements. They need the person should be able to speak in English. Education should be at least high school graduation certificate, HSSC or FSC. So experience would be 1 to less than 7 months. So at least you must have a 5 months of experience. Then the specific skills for the cashiers: operate cash register, suggestive selling, process money, checks and credit debit cards and payments, scan items, tabulate total payment, greet customers, provide customer service, accept reservations or take out orders, participate in promotional activities. So you have to do a lot of the things. They need the person who have that much specific skills. So work settings can be retail business. It can be a retail business. It may be a supermarket or a grocery store. So you need to work there. This kind of the location or the job setting is this. Work conditions and physical capabilities. Fast-paced environment. Obviously, this environment should be fast-paced, and it as it concerned with the sale and purchase. So, handling heavy loads, attention to details, combination of sitting, standing, walking, bending, crouching, and kneeling. So, it could be a combination of all these types of physical activity, and so it needs some physical capability. So, personal suitability, flexibility, accurate team player, excellent oral communication. So, they need a person who must have better understanding of a group working and must have excellent oral communication skills. So, if you are interested in this job and you have that much experience as well, and so you can share your CV as the following: give an email address. This is how you can apply there. Then is overhead door installer. Location Calgary, salary 24 to $30 per hour, and you need to work for 40 hours a week. Terms of employment: permanent and full time, day, weekend, overtime, morning. And requirements, job requirements, specific job requirements are English. No degrees, by the way, is needed for this job, no certificate or diplomas. But as far as credentials are concerned, so you should have workplace hazardous material information system, WHMIS certificate with you, first aid certificate, CPR certificate. So this is first one thing, to be at the safe end, you must have all these kind of certificates: first aid certificate, CPR certificate, and WHMIS, workplace hazardous material information system. This is what I believe, that everyone should know how to deal with the crisis management. So that WHMIS should be with everyone, at every workplace. Then experience 2 years to less than 3 years, and at least 2.5 years experience is needed for the job. Specific skills: utilize hand and power tools, read and interpret blueprints, maps, drawings, and specifications. Obviously, you need to build on all those things. So you should be able to read and interpret specifically the maps and the blueprints, measure and mark guidelines to be used for installations, erect and install scaffoldings, load and unload trucks with supplies and equipment. So major work area, service, clean, renovation, repair, installation, construction, all these things can be the part of your job. Additional skills which they want: prepare and maintain work materials and supplies. Professionalism in customer service. This is very important to note that if someone is in this job or in any other kind of job, the professionalism is a must. Document and prepare invoices and work orders. Area of specialization: doors and overheads. Weight handling up to 45 kgs and the security driving record check. They are going to check your driving record and your criminal record as well. Own tools and equipment. You have your own tools, steel toed safety boots. You must have the safety boots with you and all of the required tools with you. And the worksite environment, outdoor, it can be on some other place like outdoors at heights, and you are not allowed to smoke. Transportation, travel information, vehicle supplied by the employer, driver's license. So it's a good thing that you do not have your own vehicle. So this is the duty of the employers. They are going to provide you the transportation, and but you must have your driver's license with you. Work conditions and physical capabilities, fast paced environment, repetitive tasks. Obviously, the same thing could be done throughout the day. Handling heavy loads, physically demanding, attention to detail, and overtime is there with you. And overtime may be needed to complete the work. Then work location is urban area, various locations, obviously. And effective interpersonal skills, flexibility, accurate time player, values and ethics, reliability, punctuality. So these things they want for the person. Personal suitabilities means the attributes of a personality. They want these things are suitable for this job. So, if you are interested and you have an experience of for the overhead doors and to form the doors and the bridges, so then you can apply for this. And they have given you the email address. Please share your documents, share your CV, and you can contact them for further details as well through this email address. Restaurant supervisor needed in Canada. Location is this. All obviously, those who are living in Canada must have an idea about the locations. Salary is about $14.60 per hour, and you have to work 40 hours a week. Terms of employment: the job is permanent type and it is full time as well. And timings of the job can be anytime: day, evening, weekend, shift, and morning. Then requirements: English, high school certificate, and certificates: safe food handling certificate. So if you are obviously you are going to work with some restaurant, so you must have safe food handling certificates. So experience 7 months to less than 1 year, and at least 7 months experience is needed. But if you have more than that, obviously you will be preferred, but you must have safe food handling certificate. This is important to be within this kind of food related jobs. Specific skills: now supervise and check assembly of trays, prepare food order summaries for chef, prepare and submit reports, maintain records of stock, repair, sales and wastage, establish work schedules, estimate and order ingredients and supplies, everything related to the restaurant job, all the specific skills of the supervisor. Because basically it's a job of a supervisor, so supervisor has to handle everything regarding the restaurant feeding things, means the supplies, means the preparations, means the bills, the customer clients. So this is the job of a supervisor to deal all these the important aspects of the job. Additional skills: address customers complaints. This is what I'm telling you, that you need to work at every point. By the way, you have to be you have to show some concern towards the customers by all means. You have to train your staff and sanitation and safety procedures. You need to work for all these things. So this is this is the job of a supervisor. So work setting: restaurant and work supervised, food service counter attendants and food preparers, food and beverage servers. So all these person are under you, and they are subordinates to you, and you have to supervise. You must have some control on them. Then worksite environment, others, maybe others, transportation, public transportation is available there in the area where that restaurant is located. That's a good news. And work conditions and physical capabilities, fast paced. Obviously, this is the job which is in no way a fast paced environment. Work under pressure, always you have to be under pressure, you have to meet the deadlines, and you have to stand for extended periods, you need to work, you need to sit, and the tight deadlines, you have to meet the tight deadlines as well. Ability to supervise 5 to 10 people, you will be able to supervise at least 5 to 10 people. Personal suitability, effective interpersonal skills, flexibility, team player, client focus. So the person, if it having the effective interpersonal skills and flexible as well and client focus, then there is no way he could be a better supervisor. Then, how to apply for this job? The job is a good opportunity, by the way, and they have given you their email address and their postal address as well. So you can share your CV through this email to them, and you can post your CV through this postal address and to the specific company. So if you are interested, go ahead. Okay. Then the next job is construction helper needed in Canada. Location is there. Salary is $20 per hour and 40 hours a week. You need to work. In terms of employment, permanent and full time. And the job nature is permanent and it is full time as well. And the timings could be any, and it starts as soon as possible. So go ahead and apply for all these such kind of jobs. It's a job of a construction helper, so anyone who is in need of job and who are doing nothing these days can apply for these jobs. So languages, English, secondary, high school graduation certificate. This is, by the way, the minimum requirement for any job. So you must have, everyone go for education, and at least everyone should have a degree or certificate equivalent to FSC, HSSC, FSC or HSC or high school. Experience, and as an ASET, if you have an experience, then you are preferred, obviously, because you already know how to deal with all the tools, with all of the things and the nature of work. Then a specific skill, stand or feed machines or equipment used in construction. This is important to note. You need to know how to deal with the machines, how they work. You should learn all these things. Remove rubble and other debris at construction sites. This is one of the thing, how you are going to remove that rubble. Mix, pour and spread materials, and loading and unloading, transport construction material, erect and dismantle concrete forms, scaffoldings, ramps, catwalks, shoring and barricades, clean up the chemical spills and other contaminants. So all these things are very, very important. You need to do all these things, and with excellent care. In the worksite environment, confined spaces, outdoors, dusty, cold, refrigerator. So all these can be your worksite environments. It can be cold, it can be outdoors, it is dusty as well. So work location information, it is on various locations, obviously where there is a construction is going on. So can be any location. So if you are interested and you want to work in this capacity, then you need to share your CV at the following given email address, and you can contact the company through this email address as well. My next job is service advisor needed in Canada. Location is Lethbridge, AB. Salary is $3,100 to $3,500 a month, and you need to work 40 hours a week. So terms of employment, permanent, full-time, daytime. The duty time is basically the daytime to 8 to 17 hours, 17 TST. You need to work, and start as soon as possible. So if you are interested, please go ahead and apply for the job. Job requirements, obviously, as I have already told you, they go for, even for the helper, they want the person should have at least the graduation degree, and so everyone must know how to speak in English and must have a degree equivalent to FSC or HSSC or high school. Experience as an asset. Experience as an asset, that means you must have some experience, and if you have any experience, it is considered as an asset for you. And specific skills for the service advisor is address customers' complaints and concerns. You need to work on all of the customers' concerns and their complaints, their reservations, their grievances. You need to work on all those things. Access and process information, sell merchandise, receive payments, order material in stock, maintain records, explain the type and cost of services offered. This is important. Once again, you need to know your company is going to provide what kind of advisory services, and to what extent as well. So it's very important to note, and you have to prepare for all those things. Then business equipment and computer applications, you have to know what, by the way, this is MS Office, MS Excel, MS Windows, MS Word, Internet, electronic scheduler, database software, MS Outlook, MS Office. You need to know how to work in all those Excel, Word, Outlook, how to use all these softwares along with them. Database software is also be on hand on with you. Then additional skills, schedule and coordinate work on sites. And you have to schedule the things and coordinate with all of the other workers. So this is considered as an additional skill. Work setting, public sector and retail, wholesale establishment, distribution center. So this is your work setting, that, but it is according to some governmental areas. Transportation and travel information, you must have your own transportation, conditions and physical capabilities, fast pace, work under pressure, repetitive tasks, attention to detail, and tight deadlines. And obviously, you have to work under pressure and you need to meet certain deadlines as well. Location is urban area. Now, personal suitability. What are the personal attributes or the properties they want in a person who is going to apply for this job? Effective interpersonal skills, flexibility, team player, excellent in communication, excellent written communication, client focus, reliability, organized, punctuality. So they want a person must have all these kind of personal attributes with him. So for if you have all these, please apply for the job. And for the application, you have to share your CV on the following email address. And if you want to know any other detail regarding the job, you can contact them through this email address. So I thank you all. That was my last job today, and hoping there is something for you as well. And I have, inshallah ta'ala, we will meet again in the next video. Up till now, Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.